want to tell you here's a story about how I have fought to hang on as an entrepreneur over the past 3 months. And one of the main reasons I am sitting before you today is because the Holy Spirit put it on Ashley Gutierrez's heart to subscribe. She didn't know that the candle subscription existed. Nobody did. It was the day after Christmas. She texted me. She was like, hey girl, have you ever thought about doing a candle subscription? And I'm going, who are you? And since she subscribed, I have gone through so many rounds. My process as an entrepreneur has been like being in a boxing rink. Man, I'm, you know what I mean? Like you're like round one, like you're strong, you're like boom, boom, but then you get a blow, but you're fine, right? Because it's round one. Man, you get to round 10, you get to round 11, and it's a little bit more challenging. You know what I mean? And one of my breaking points broke me. It's been a crazy 2 months, right? 4 breaking points since I started, which was 3 months ago, but the past 2 months I have 4 breaking points. It's different. It's different when, okay, what I'm selling supports me. I wasn't able to sell anything because I had nothing to sell. Supplies were on tremendous back order with COVID. I mean, I could go on and on. But we are here. Why? In large part, it is because of you, Ashley. It's because I was like, this is gonna work. So I fought to hang on as an entrepreneur, and we are finally here. I wanna invite you to join Ashley. My supplies are finally in, and I have developed an incredible, gorgeous, exquisite candle. I believe that when you light it, you are going to love it. I believe that you're going to want this candle in your room. You're going to want this candle in your kitchen. You're gonna light it and know, woo! First of all, I have a high quality premium candle in my presence. That's cool. Oh my gosh, look at the little crackle. Look at the way that the light dances off the glass because it's a high quality premium jar. Oh, it smells so good. Why? Because the fragrance permeates and shifts the atmosphere. This candle is stunning. So you have the fact that the candle is awesome, and then you have the fact that every single penny goes towards funding the Beauty is movement. This movement is worth it. How does it work? So we've got 5 options for you if you want to subscribe. I've got the 14-ounce candle. All of my candles are beautifully double wicked, okay? So we've got the 14-ounce candle, we've got the 22-ounce candle. Those are my 2 sizes. They're square jars, they're just stunning. And so you can do 1 14-ounce candle. Every price I list here is going to include shipping, so free shipping. So every price point, you don't gotta pay shipping, okay? So you can get 1 14-ounce candle sent to you every single month for $30, or you can get 1 22-ounce candle sent to you every month for $35. And then I've got package deals of both of them. You can do 2 small candles for $55. You can do a small and a large for $60, or you can do 2 large for $65. So you've got options. And let's say that you're like, well, I don't really like candles, but I've got friends who love them. You're a dude and you're like, well, my mom likes candles, and or my sister likes candles, and maybe she needs some cheering up. You can gift a subscription. I've got 3 options there as well. You can do 3 months or 6 months or 12. A full year subscription. 3 month is $120, the 6 month is $250, and the full year is $500. Again, free shipping. And then I'm also developing all natural beauty products. And so I have developed this incredible lip balm. I mean, y'all, this is crazy. I'm like developing products. It's completely natural. It's 1 ounce, it's large, and it does have a shelf life. Why? Because it's fresh. If you get a beauty product that can last for years and years and years, there is absolutely a chemical that is keeping that running. This has a shelf life of 6 months. It's chemical free. And it's so natural that you can also use it as hand lotion if your hands are cracked or whatever. Free shipping, $12 out the door. Your first subscription is gonna include this. I'm gonna put this in your first subscription box. And so join Ashley. Join Ashley and go online and subscribe and join The Beauty Is.